Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now here take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the circle command, select the center point, make a circle here of diameter 20. From same center point, make one more circle of diameter 34. Finish sketch. Here take the extrude command, select this profile and here we will take extrude of 38 mm and here we are going to take symmetric extrude. Press OK. Now zoom out, go to origin and select the XY plane once again. Go to create sketch. Take the line command. From here we are going to make a construction line till this end point. Okay. And make a taper line here and escape. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now here select this, go to sketch and here we will project this profile and escape. Go to coincident, select this point and select this. Escape. Now select this line, make it construction. This is just a reference line. Go to line command. From this center point, make a straight line. Escape. This will be the center line. Select this line, make it construction. Go to dimension. Here we will define the angle. This will be 60 degree. Okay. Now here take the arc command. Here we are going to select the center point arc. Select the center point. Select this point. Okay. And till here we will make an arc. Go to dimension. Define the radius here. So the radius here will be of 96 mm. Okay. Similarly, go to arc command once again and take center point arc. Select the center point. Make one mark here. Okay. Go to dimension. Define this also as 96. Okay. It is by default taking 96 mm. Cancel. Now take the line command and here we'll make a bend line. Okay. And escape. Now we'll define this. Go to dimension. Define this dimension here. From this edge, this will be at 40 mm. Okay. And escape. Now here go to fillet command and we will take a fillet of 10 radius. Select this line, select this arc. Similarly, select this arc and select this line. Exit. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now select this, make it construction. Select this, make it construction. Okay, these are just for reference. Now here take offset command. We'll select this profile one by one. Okay. And we have dragged the cursor inside. Press enter. Okay. So here we will define the fill offset. So we will take offset of 8 mm. Enter and escape. Okay. Now go to line and here we will join this. Okay. And escape. Now here I want to change this radius. So select this, delete and here drag this. Okay. Go to dimension. Define the offset here of 8. Now here take the arc and take 3-point arc. Select this point, make one arc. Escape. Drag this little bit. Go to tangent constraint. Select this arc, select this point, select this and select this. Okay. Now we'll define this. Go to dimension. Define this also as 10 radius and escape. Okay. Otherwise it was a very little radius left here of 2 mm. Now here we have this movement. So to constrain this movement, go to dimension, select this center point, select this point. Here we'll define it as 120 mm. Okay. Now go to the extend. Here we have the extend command. If you want to extend any line, so we'll use this command. Select this, so it will extend up to this point. Okay. Now here take the R command, select this point and select this point. So here this will be a joining profile. Now escape. Okay. So this is now constrained. Now go to finish sketch, take extrude. Now we are going to extrude this profile. We are going to extrude it up to 28 mm. Take here symmetric extrude. Here this will be a joining profile and press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see a joining profile is made properly. Go to home, go to 3D model. Here take the fillet command, take fillet radius of 5, go to edge selection, select this edge, press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take here a circle command and make one circle here of diameter 12. Go to dimension. Here we will define the dimension from this edge as 12 mm. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. Finish sketch. Take the extrude command and here we will take cut and press OK. So this will be the profile. Now from here you can define the color. I have taken here the cyan color. You can take any. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.